not take the first step. And it's not stable.
Because someone already, right? It's too heavy and.
You better not crash.
Oh,
It's broken. It's broken.
it's already broken.
Yeah.
It's already broken.
No, the middle is stable, not this side.
Forget it, Alex.
Don't.
No, it's gonna break.
Because your daddy, he's heavy.
Oh, just go. Quick.
Oh no.
Oh, wait.
No.
No,
Oh.
You can. Mommy's gonna crash.
Oh.
Just sit there and enjoy the scenery.
Oh no.
You can't hold on to that.
Lower your balance.
Just climb.
That's easy. Oh, Brian coming in. Oh, you're gonna make it. Careful.
Whoa.
Yeah. Come back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna crack it.
Try the other friend. You guys can just go down and then climb back up.
Be careful. Be careful.
It's hard for tall people. Uh-oh.
No, it's stable.
How about the balance? You need to keep the balance.
Okay, crouch down. The other branch.
Oh.
Yay. Careful.
The lower route is safer.
Okay. Yeah.
Still out.